Hi everybody, in this very short video I'm going to show you how to shorten the sleeves of this jacket. The first thing we're going to do is remove these stitches right here to remove the cuff. So I'm going to fold it up first. I'm going to measure the length of the jacket so that I know what the finished length is supposed to be. My customer does not want me to shorten it actually to the seam, but to where the sleeve actually rolls back, or the cuff actually rolls back. So I've got my measurement. And now I need to get those stitches out and the cuff off the jacket. So just be really careful. Now I did kind of butcher a little bit of the fabric, but I knew I have to take off at least 3 inches, so I wasn't really that concerned as long as it didn't tear up my cuff. So I removed all the stitches, and then I measure the cuff of the other jacket, the other sleeve, so I know how much I need to cut off my sleeve. So I end up having to take off 3 1/8 inch. So I transferred over to the original sleeve and made my marks and then cut it off. Now this is just like removing the cuff of the men's dress shirt and shortening it, except much easier, much quicker. So be mindful of how that cuff is going back on. I check with the other sleeve to make sure I have it on right, and it's going to be facing, the buttons are going to be on the back side of the sleeve. Just like if you were to look at your sleeve when you have your jacket on, the buttons are going to be to the outside of your hand or towards the back of the shirt or jacket sleeve. So pin that back on the outside with the buttons facing the sleeve, because this is not supposed to be a cuff that's folded back. It's going to be down where you can see the buttons. So I just pinned it back on. It went on really easy, not a lot of excess fabric. So there it is. And I just started sewing it on with my serger. I have a 4-thread 2-needle serger. Went on really easy. Just make sure that the fabric on the bottom by the feed dogs doesn't get folded back, because it's a pain in the neck trying to pull out serger threads. There's a lot of them. So just be careful. Don't run over your pins, and just get it sewn on. If you like this video, if you find it helpful, give it a thumbs up or leave a comment. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell so you're notified when I upload more videos. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.